How to make your shop stand out in a brightly lit city is the first crucial step. AUO's proprietary ALED technology allows you to break through the framework with unlimited assembling of displays, helping you redefine the brand's personality and catch the consumer's eye immediately. Unlocking the future of your imagination. ALED with high pixel density provides top-tier visual effects. Moreover, sophisticated and vivid images offer a breathtaking visual experience for customers. AUO Group joins hands with ecosystem partners to deliver comprehensive new retail solutions that integrate marketing, membership, and sales. Our solutions facilitate transactions at every contact point of the customer journey, enabling new omni-channel retail opportunities. The takeover technology's interplayer synchronization effect can capture consumers' attention as soon as they step into the shop. Moreover, if customers would like to understand more about products, the interactive technology can present more product details. In this way, customers can explore the product design, functions, and concepts at their own pace without being bothered by staff. Intelligent shelving automatically identifies the customer's product preference and delivers corresponding advertising content. Our CMS system allows shopkeepers to adjust content and update e-menus or billboards remotely all over the world, which can increase marketing efficiency and downsize production costs. Wish Mobile Membership app offers integrated membership services and e-wallet. Meanwhile, traffic flow and hotspot analysis solutions are introduced to optimize product display and shopping route by understanding customers' movement and dwell time.